land, domestic air, and domestic sea travel to and from Metro Manila shall be suspended beginning 2020, March 15, 2020, and to end on April 14, 2020 sa alas 12, subject to the daily review by the Interagency Task Force. So, walang lumipad, ang mga travel is limited, pero itong mga railways sa baba, okay yan. At the same time, observe again social distancing. Pero sa aeroplano po, beginning March 15, 2020, March 13 tayo ngayon? 12. Oh. March 15, midnight, from, it takes its force and effect. So, tandaan ho ninyo yan. Pero subject again to review day to day. Tingnan namin kung ano ang nangyayari. Kung if there is a slowdown in the contagion, or ganun yan kanya, medyo mawala lang ng kanya, that is the history of itong mga sakit na ito. They come and go in every 2 or 3 generations. Meron talagang problema itong binigay sa atin at wala tayong magawa. Ito yung talagang trabaho nila. The Code Alert System of COVID-19 Public Health Event is hereby raised to Code Red Sublevel 2. The Department of Health has to explain to the public itong wherewithals ng Code Red Sublevel 2, I think, which is the highest sa prescribed ng WHO. Medyo nandito na tayo sa maximum. And it is really for the protection of humanity. The recommendations of the Department of Health Technical Advisory Group in imposing stringent social distancing measure in the National Capital Region are adopted for a period of 30 days from the issuance of this resolution, with salient points, yung mga importante, of which are as follows. Yung mga importante na nakalagay doon sa social distancing measures.